Alright guys, ito na po yung mga bagay or luggages ni Father Arvin. Uwi na siya tomorrow. Ito pa yung isa. Ayan siya, si Ma at si Tang. Tang, ano, kumusta ka na? Inaantok ka na? Oh, at least honest siya, di ba? Si Kuya Joe na naman. Of course, si Kuya Joe, kilala niya, madalas niya makita. Ito yung mga kasama nila, si Kuya Edwin, Ate Marisa, Kuya Long, at Tites. So, say hi to our viewers, subscribers. Alis na si Father Arvin tomorrow. Yung mga chikiting ko, kilala niyo ng mga yan. Nanonood sila ng TV. Dito si Ate Dory. It's indoors. Ito po yung panganay namin, si Ate Dory. Hindi nyo pa siguro siya masyadong nakikita. So, sila... I'm a YouTuber now! So, tomorrow po, I won't be able to help to iatid si Father Arvin dahil may pasok ko bukas. So, si Ate Dory at saka si Kuya Ed ang mag-aatid sa kanila. You wanna say hi to my viewers, subscribers, indoors? Sapang may sak, Ayal Bendini.
Okay, hello everyone. Sapang may sak. I'm taking Father Arvin tomorrow to the airport.
Okay, thank you so much.
My book is good, so I'll keep reading.
Oh, yep, that's good. All right, thank you. At dito naman po si Father Arvin. Ito na si Father Arvin. So, Father Arvin, so far, kumusta ang naging bakasyon mo dito sa Amerika?
Masaya, nakasama yung mga family, yung mga aunties, yung mga tito.
Yeah.
Salamat sa Diyos at nakapag-bakasyon, nakapagpahinga. The next day, back to work, back to normal ministry.
Of course, that's right, yes. Well, thank you so much for visiting us. Kahit na the weather was really hot, but at least we had a good time bonding. You met your relatives, your cousins here, kami. So we had a good time. We traveled kahit na mainit. We went places kahit na mainit. It was still good. We had a good time. So thank God na we had that chance to bond. Again, thank you so much, guys. Ito na po si Father Arvin. Bukas na siya uuwi, babalik na siya ng Pilipinas para mag-serve ulit sa kanyang parokya dyan sa Malabon. Shoutout sa inyo dyan mga taga Malabon.
Pusong Malabon.
Ayan. Ayan po guys, ayan na si Father Arvin. Si Mapalan dyan, tsaka si Nantok si Tam. So anyway, alis na rin po kami kasi I still have to work tomorrow at yung mga bata pinasyalan lang namin siya bago siya umuwi bukas. At ayan, okay. Goodbye, Father Arvin. Good luck and we'll see you around. Alright, bye-bye.
Por favor, zona 1, grupo 1, zona 2, grupo 2 está invitado a empezar a formarse, tener pasaporte y pase a abordar en mano listo.
Attention, the boarding area, passenger traveling with Philippine Airlines, Terminal 13, Bangkok, Manila. At this moment, we'll let your money arrive on the procedure. Once you begin boarding, first board will be business class.